Now I'm going to introduce some basic terminologies. One of the terminologies that we use is called space lattice. It is nothing but a regular arrangement of points in space which forms a continuous three-dimensional arrangement of points in space. So for example, the space lattice in the diagram that is shown is a three-dimensional repetition of points that gives you a regular arrangement. Now if this regular arrangement is spread over a wide range of space, it is called long range order. And the second term that we use is called unit cell. So unit cell is nothing but smallest arrangement of points which on repetition generates the whole space lattice. So in this case, this smaller cube can be taken as unit cell. Now normally unit cell are the smallest possible arrangement of points which on repetition generates the entire space lattice, but sometimes we may take a unit cell which is not the smallest unit for our convenience. So basically what we are saying is unit cell can be chosen as per your convenience for calculation purposes. Unit cells are further classified into two parts, primitive and non-primitive. When we say primitive, it means that the points are only located at the corners of the unit cell, and non-primitive means when points are located at other places apart from the corner points also. So let's look at them one by one. So for example, in case of 3 dimension, this is your primitive unit cell, which is nothing but a small cube that we have created over here. So a cube has 8 corners, and we have shown that there are 8 atoms which are present at 8 corners of the cube. So this is called primitive unit cell. In case of non-primitive unit cells, there are further 3 types of unit cells. The first one is called body centered, where apart from 8 corners, there is one atom present at the center of the cube. The second one is called face centered, wherein apart from 8 corners of the cube, there are 6 atoms which are present at the face centers of the cube. So there are 6 face centers, the top one, the bottom one, this right one and the left one, the front and the back. So there are 6 faces, and all of them will have one atom at the center. And the last one is called end center, wherein apart from 8 corners of the cube, 2 atoms are present at opposing faces, but only one of the opposing faces, not all of them.